Hey, this is Dr. P here. I am out for a run with Tank, the burner. Basically, why I'm filming this is because on Tuesday mornings, 8 to 12, my team has quote unquote deep work, and we reserve 4 hours a week for them to work on projects, anything that has to do with members of Victory in Motion who we're treating, any ways to improve our systems, improve our programs, improve our IT, improve our EMR, improve anything, improve our SOPs. But how do you get into a deep work state, a quote unquote flow state? It's not always easy to do that. Some people do it on their own. Some people can do it with a group of people. It's a little harder to do that, but you can do it. For me, it's when I'm running. I'm getting exercise, and that's great. And I'm a long distance runner, so I don't have to run super hard. I can still do two things at once. So during this entire run, things come to me. When I'm running, things always come to me. That's my best flow state, deep work time. I'm constantly on with ChatGPT, asking it questions. I'm doing searches. I'm listening to podcasts. I'm listening to webinars. I might even be communicating with my team, but that's a little bit harder. I don't really like doing that during my flow state. Bottom line, whatever gets you into your flow state, and a lot of people it is running, do it. It doesn't have to be sitting behind a desk. You don't have to be at work. You have to be doing work. You don't have to be physically at work. We have a lot of employees who we let work from home, and that's where they get their deep work done. Give your staff time to do that. Take the time yourself. If it's running or exercise or whatever you like to do, skydiving, that's when you do your best thinking. Do it, and you'll get better results.